Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I'm going to be doing the very first challenge prompt for this month, that word being fruit. Awesome, I have to paint something that my doctor keeps telling me I need to eat more of. But anyways, let's get into this painting. So when it came to me making this piece, I approached it with getting the base down of the painting first with the watercolor pencils. I felt this would be a really interesting way to really get the idea down, since I've only actually really used watercolor pencils a few times before this, and I thought it would be really fun to work with it. It's interesting combining the colors on paper before adding the water, and then just watching it completely transform once you apply the brush to it. As you can tell, I went for the very classic fruit bowl painting, but I chose to have the bowl full of apples with one that fell out and has been kind of wilting in the sun on the counter a bit, with the apples in the bowl still very fresh with color, and then the one on the counter being a little darker and overripe. But I am starting to get closer to the end of this piece, so sit back and I will see you guys at the end of this video for the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word fruit. I think it turned out pretty good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are on the back of your brochure, right at the bottom there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!